They want titles. Hi guys, good morning. It's me again. Okay, so I and hubby are actually going to Orange Market. That's the market at Maraba. I've gone there so many times, really, but still I know that some people that will still want me to show them, because really I feel like these markets, they change daily. So I'm still going to show you guys when I go. Things have become so expensive. If you're hearing hubby's voice, he's actually talking to the guy, what do you call it, the horticulturist. He actually comes to trim our flowers, you know, make sure everything is organized. So for our family, it's important for us to go to the market because we need to reduce costs, guys. Things have become so expensive. Like at this point, I used to pity everybody living outside the northern hemisphere, because I can imagine what they are going through. So yeah, that's what we're going to do this morning. But first of all, we're going to take money from all those POS people. We can't go to the ATM because crowd and all. I'm going to take you guys along as usual, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you? Yes, that one you put. The one titles. Finally, we're home and we're about to eat the food we got at Fax. We're about to eat. I'm warming moi moi because I made moi moi yesterday, so I want to eat rice and moi moi. Let me just hurry up. I'm not going to show you guys that part, sorry. I just want to eat and I'm very dirty and sweaty. I need to even bath, guys. So I've settled down, I've eaten, had my bath, fed my baby Ola. And I'm about to edit a video. I'm not really sure the video I want to edit because I have two videos I want to edit. I'm trying to think the one I want to go up tomorrow. The video was supposed to go up today, but so I'm trying to think of the one I'm going to edit. But that's what I'm doing. Yeah, coming, Jina. Is it fair? Okay, if they're coming. These kids cannot even let me stay for like. If I said that, Jina said I said you should come. I didn't say that. What did I say that? Get me water to drink. Water to treat me. No, I didn't want you to do anything, but since you're here, get me water to drink. Jina. Come and do your homework here. If where is the water?
I got from your cup.
Go and use daddy's cup.
But Anna wants to fall down.
So leave her to fall now.
No.
Yeah, I don't know if why you're moving away. I don't think Ola is too strong. I'll give Ola paracetamol. Her body was a bit warm when I was feeding her.
Does she want to stuff the whole thing in her mouth? You just relax. I think she likes it. I think she thinks it's baby. I think she thinks it's baby rice or something.
With the color red. A chair.
You see what she's looking at me like she thinks that I want to take her medicine, so she's trying to step. She's standing on me. That.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's treasure in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely.
Hi guys, let me reduce the volume. Called me.
Anybody?
Jina. I'm actually out with Hobby. I came to meet him somewhere. I went out with my friend. We were supposed to go to this new place, the La Palms farm. The place is nice, it's beautiful, but there's nothing.
Hello, Mom.
Hi, Jean. How far?
Hello, Mom.
Yes, Jina. How are you?
We're fine.
Okay. What's up?
Can I watch catch up?
Yes. Is that light?
Yes.
Hope Ola is okay. What about Ola? Ola?
Yes, she's okay.
Is she eating?
Yes.
There was nothing special there. The place is fine, but it's not inviting. Let me use that word. For me, it's not homely. It's not a place where I would just feel like going. Then it looked really expensive. It looks like all the shops there look like they're going to cut off your heads. Like things, let me just say a makeup shop there now. If you go and buy like let me say beauty blender, all those normal beauty blenders sell like 1.5, 2K, 3K. They can sell it 10K there. That's how it looks. That's my own review. But my friend was even telling me that it's not nice. I would have even entered different places and priced. But I was like, it didn't even look like I should price. We actually went to eat. When the person told me about the La Palms, I was thinking it was actually a restaurant, like all these rooftop palms. I don't know why I thought that way. So when we got there, it was like a mall/hotel. We even went to the hotel first. Then I had to refer us to the mall. Then the restaurant there didn't look inviting. It looked like datish. I'm sorry, it looked datish. So yeah, we didn't finally do anything there. We just took pictures and left. And I'm here. We now went to eat somewhere. Went to this Woks and Y Chinese restaurant on Wuse, along that around Wuse too. I was just flabbergasted. The food was just there. The price was okay. I won't even lie, the price was really okay, but the food was just there. Then I'm here waiting for Hobby because we're supposed to go to the cinema together. We're supposed to go somewhere together, but we just changed our mind. Let's just go to the cinema and see a movie. I hope we'll see a nice movie. I even have to check for movies, you know. So let me do that. Timing, You're looking very fine.
True. It's not good.
No, it's fine. I have to. Yeah.
I'll go buy for now.
Don't they have 4 stations around here? Okay, so
follow me.
Alright. Bye guys, let me go. Don't have God, this is my internet there. I have to look for rubber band and be tying it to. I don't even understand. Anybody where won't fight you, let them know they already know.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind.
I just got back home. This is almost to 12. I just got back home about, let me see, 5 minutes ago. There's no light, so everywhere there is generator sound everywhere. So sorry that you might, I don't know if you're going to hear that, but in case you hear that, just know that almost all my neighbors' generators are on. Okay, back to what brought me here. So we're back home. Yeah, I had fun today. We actually went for hubby's friend's wife's birthday. We really had fun. We gisted, you know, and I really enjoyed myself. We just had fun. Like, I just liked the energy. I just liked the people that were there. There were cool people that, you know, that whenever they're around, you know, it's always fun. But something that really made me happy this evening was, so I got a new MAC foundation. I've never used the MAC foundation before. I've used the MAC powder. I think it's the mineral. Yeah, I've used the mineralized powder, and that was over about 9 years ago or 8 years ago. So yeah, I hope my face is showing well. I feel like my face is not showing well. I need to go and do my hair well, like go and do proper weaving, because this weaving I don't understand. So yeah, I got the MAC foundation. This is the Studio Fix Fluid foundation. I was told this is matte. It has matte finish, but I just realized that this is the smaller one. There's supposed to be a bigger one. I got this thing for, let me show you guys. Let me not be my blabbing. I got this for 21,000 naira. My outing didn't start well because everything we planned didn't work out, but in general my day was okay. It was, you know,
Really?
to the cinema.
But you said you would take off.
But today is not for you. It's weekend. Maybe when you guys finish for the term, after your,
What is weekend?
no, after your,
Saturday.
no, not this Saturday, when you guys finish for the year, like when you're done with your exams, we're going to the cinema to watch any movie of your choice, any kid movie. I will show you all the kid movies coming up, and you will choose. You will choose one. If you will choose one, no, two. Because you know it's a lot of money. Yes, of course you must have. You will have popcorn and drinks.
I will not have Sprite. And Muna will come with us.
Oh, Muna. Okay, I'm going to tell her mom. And
Why are you going to cinema 2 times?
you're welcome.
Why are you going to cinema 2 times?
Jina, can I just vlog, guys? Can you just see the kids I have? They don't want me to enjoy myself.
Because I'm playing my tablet.
I enjoy myself a million times. Jina, you have a tablet that you play with every time. Do I play with do I have a tablet?
But you don't allow us to watch YouTube sometimes.
Because if my data is going to finish, Jina, data is really expensive.
Okay. But I ask you now, will you say yes or no?
Okay, yes.
Yay!
For 30 minutes. Okay, let's make it 40.
40? No, 40. You lose your internet if you
See if it's
Okay,
really...
30 minutes.
All right, babes. Okay, so guys, yes, you can. I and hubby, I and the boo, we are actually going to the cinema today. I woke up today and I was like, see, we have to go out today. We've not gone out for a while. It's just been family thing. I want me and you know, to go out. My face is really going through it, guys. Like, it's around the period time of the month, and fam, like whenever it's around that time, my face used to just start annoying me.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me?